seen how you was driving reckless.
I was trying to catch up with this car.
Yeah, but the way you did it was real reckless. You did like a crazy illegal U-turn.
I can do that.
Cut people off and then you...
Jeff Gray from Honor Your Oath gave me a call and sent me this guy's body cam footage.
There was I pulled you over doing 63 and a 45.
This video comes to you by way of Travis Outdoors.
Okay, you got your driver's license? Thank you. Okay, you know what changes to 45 through there, right?
Yes, sir. I should have realized.
Okay, all right, cool. All right, where you heading?
I was just going to Jacksonville. We're looking around an apartment, leaving out of Alaska.
Okay.
And I'm going back to Jacksonville.
All right, hold tight.
Yes, sir.
What you're about to see is a man practice his First Amendment rights. He's got a freedom of speech, freedom of press, and he also has the right to redress his government for grievances.
Behind the Ginger Bistro. Last team wearing a gray t-shirt, gray shorts.
What's up, bud? What's up, man? Hey, you mind if I get your name and badge number? Hey,
Unknown
you mind
weapons,
if I get your name and badge number?
Yeah, why? Why?
I'll just like get your name and badge number.
I'm on a traffic stop.
Right, I seen how you was driving reckless.
I was trying to catch up with this car.
Yeah, but the way you did it was real reckless. You did like a crazy illegal U-turn.
I can do that.
Cut people off and then you
I tell you,
Right, I seen how you was driving reckless.
I was trying to catch up with this car.
Yeah, but the way you did it was real reckless.
Did you guys know that police officers have almost double the rate of crashes compared to the general public? If you see a cop speeding without their emergency lights, record them.
You did like a crazy illegal U-turn.
I can do that.
You cut people off and then you
I
rode
tell you
by
what,
us.
why don't you stand by for me right here?
I'll stand wherever you want me to, but I'm gonna need your badge number and your name.
Why don't you stand by for me right here?
I'll stand wherever you want me to, but I'm gonna need your badge.
Hey, just slow it down for me, okay, big guy? Okay.
Straight down 4179, 10 bucks.
Down temple. Yeah, I was trying to catch up with this car that was going excessively over the speed limit.
Well, I get that.
I have every right to do a U-turn and pull around right there.
Right, but what you did was endanger people more so than what he did.
No, I wasn't.
I watched you, and then you rode my ass the whole time to get around me.
Yeah, because the
Then
guy
you
in the
almost
left
hit me.
lane
Then you
was
almost
clogging
hit
up the left lane. I didn't even come close to hitting you.
Okay, but what was your name and badge number?
It's Corporal McDonald, 11013.
All right, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
You have a good day.
By the way, don't ever just come up on a traffic stop like that.
I
Okay?
do what I want.
No, you're not going to do that again.
Right.
You can't just walk up on a traffic stop when I'm in the middle of an investigation like that. You understand?
I just did it.
Well, I can tell you what, man. If I wanted to take another attitude, right now I could.
That would just be a lawsuit.
No, it's not. I'm well within my... Dude, you better fucking... You need to educate
And
yourself
you
on the
don't
law. I don't care. So are you.
Right?
Okay, you don't just go walk up on a traffic stop. That's an officer violation. That's an officer safety violation.
Right.
You don't just walk up on a traffic stop like that, bro.
Right?
That's a great way to get put in cuffs and get taken to jail. It's called obstruction.
Right?
I said, well, you know what? What's your name? Give me your ID.
I don't have to, but I'll...
Yeah, you do. No, you do.
Check
You
this
do
out.
have to give me your ID.
Go, buddy. Just because I want to.
That's not how this
Because
works.
you was about to be a tyrant. There's my ID, sir.
No, because you
There's
interfere
my
with my
ID,
traffic
sir.
stop. You interfere with my traffic stop.
There's my ID, sir.
Yeah.
He wanted to be a tyrant so bad. He would have just did it too if I didn't get my ID. Fucking idiot. Nobody's policing these people. That's what's the problem. Here in St. Augustine, they're super aggressive. Super aggressive. My man was driving reckless as shit. These cops are out of their fucking mind, bro. You gonna tell me I can't stop? As a concerned citizen, I can't stop. I do what I want. Car number 241, I believe it is. Yeah, 241. Car number 241. Here you go.
I see who you are now. Makes sense why you're out of my traffic stop. Here you go. I see who you are now. It makes sense why you're out of my traffic stop.
For some of you that don't remember, this is the same tyrannical cop that arrested Jeff Gray from Honor Your Oath back in 2019 for holding a sign that said, "God bless the homeless veterans."
Yeah. Whatever you want it to mean. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day, man. What? Oh, I see who you are.
What are you approaching up on like that? What do you keep saying that for? trying to intimidate me, boy?
I'm not trying to intimidate you. I see that you have multiple trespass warnings against you. You obviously aren't like that of a bunch of other businesses. You're obviously a person that likes to do this to other officers on traffic stops. You have a tendency to do this. Have a nice day. Yeah. You look great.
Does it? What does that mean?
Whatever you want it to mean.
Who am I, big boy? Who am I, big boy? Who am I, big boy? Who am I?
Oh, I see who you are.
Who you approaching up on like that? What do you keep saying that for? You trying to intimidate me, boy?
I'm not trying to intimidate you. I see that you have multiple trespass warnings against you. You obviously aren't like that of a bunch of other businesses. You're obviously a person that likes to do this to other officers on traffic stops. You have a tendency to do this. Have a nice day.
Yeah.
How's it going?
You have ID?
Do I have ID?
Yes.
Why do you want my ID?
Because you've been asked to leave and you refused to, so now I'm detaining you because you're trespassing after warning.
They never asked me to leave.
I've been told that you were asked to leave. Hey, buddy. Did you ask him to leave?
My partner did.
Okay, good enough. So you have been asked to leave.
It's my ID.
That's not your ID.
Sorry.
Dude, don't be smart with me, bro. Where's your ID?
It's my ID right there.
Where's your ID?
What's your name and badge number?
Where's your
Gene
ID?
McDonald?
Where's your ID?
Do they want me to leave?
Yes, they want you to leave.
All right. Why do they want me to leave?
Because you're trespassing, okay?
I'm
They
engaging.
have every right to not have people on here. You know, if they don't want you here, they don't have to have you here.
I'm just saying, God bless the homeless. If they won't
Okay.
trespass me, I'll leave.
Okay, that's all we're asking. I'm not going to even trespass you, but I am going to ask you to leave, okay?
Well, I'd rather not.
Okay, well then now I'm going to trespass you. So
Okay.
give me your ID.
You don't need my ID for it.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Listen, bro.
You don't need it for
Listen, don't play this game that you act like you know more than you. You
Look,
can video me all you
You got
want.
one or two choices.
You
got one or two choices.
Whoa.
McDonald, you got one or two choices. You can recognize that what I'm doing is constitutionally protected activity. No, shut up and let me finish. Let me finish what I'm telling you. You can recognize that this is constitutionally
listen,
protected
bro.
activity and
Either
respect
you-
my rights,
either you
or you
give
can
me-
violate my rights and I'll strip you of your qualified immunity. Which one's it going to be?
If you don't give me an ID,
I'm not giving you
I'm going
ID.
to place you under arrest.
I'm not giving you ID.
All right, turn around.
All right.
You got to go this way, huh?
This is the same cop that arrested Jeff Gray at Honor Your Oath. When I spoke to Jeff Gray, he told me that the supervisor showed up on scene and forced his subordinate to let Jeff Gray go. Cops are out there driving recklessly, folks. Nobody seems to want to do nothing about it. I went to go talk to the mayor, told her that cops were driving like maniacs. She didn't care to talk to the chief. A few days later, Mario Lares was dead because Bakersfield police officers don't seem to know that they have to turn on their emergency lights, especially when going 100 miles an hour, running stop signs. We've got some statistics here for you guys regarding police officers crashing, but also keep in mind that some of these statistics, they don't even begin to show how many people have lost their lives because of cops' reckless driving. Always record the police, folks. If you see cops driving like maniacs, turning without signal lights, racing down the highway with no lights on, get the vehicle numbers, write down the time and date, and go turn them in, folks. It's about time that we force these cops to stop driving like maniacs. With that being said, I want to thank you all for tuning in. I'm going to go ahead and drop Travis Outdoors original channel link in the description for you guys. All right, folks, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.